Kim Cullen, and I'm an attorney in Winter Park, Florida. Our office handles a pretty wide variety of liability cases. A lot of those cases are your sort of standard garden variety personal injury type matters like car accidents and slip and falls and that kind of thing. But we also handle professional negligence cases, and those are cases that we might bring against professionals who owe our client a specific duty of care. Those professionals might be attorneys or engineers or accountants or anyone like that, usually a licensed person who has specific professional duties. When we pursue those cases, we often find what are called declining limits insurance policies. So a declining limits policy is pretty much what it sounds like. It's a situation where, let's say, an engineer or an accountant purchased $1 million liability policy from an insurance company. Well, if a claim is made against that policy, then all of the expenses that are incurred in defending the claim come out of that $1 million liability policy. So for example, if an accountant purchased $1 million of professional liability insurance and a claim is made against him and that claim is hotly defended by the insurance company, if they hire an attorney to defend the case or if a lawsuit's required and the attorney works on it, then the attorney's fees and all the costs that the attorney might incur in defending the case are deducted from the $1 million policy. So you might find yourself in a position where a $1 million policy suddenly turns into $800,000 or $750,000 if the case has been defended vigorously. So obviously that has an effect on how the parties might negotiate a claim or how the parties might think about a claim in terms of getting it resolved or what a fair amount might be to resolve a claim. So it adds a separate, different wrinkle into the analysis of a case, and that's something that we frequently have to talk about with our clients and make some decisions about pretty early in terms of developing a strategy or tactical plans on how we're going to handle a case. So if you have any questions regarding a professional liability case, or you have any questions regarding a declining limits insurance policy, also called a wasting assets insurance policy, please do not hesitate to call me or my law partner Robert Hemphill at 407-254-4901. Consultations are always free.